Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the Floerns video for the month of June. So I have a total of 5 different articles of clothing to share with you from Floerns Spring Summer Collection 2025. And if you guys enjoy these type videos, then go ahead and click that subscribe button because I do these pretty often on this channel. And be sure to stay tuned to the end and I will share the try on portion. And without further rambling, let's get into it. First up, we're gonna start with swimwear. So this is a one-piece swimsuit in leopard print. It has an open back. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is cut pretty high up. In the front, there is a little ring detail. We do have padding that is removable and adjustable straps. For reference purposes only, I weigh roughly 150, give or take the day, and I am 5'5". And this is a medium and it fits me perfectly. So just keep that in mind whenever you're watching the video, my measurement, so that you can kind of like know how it's gonna fit you. Now that was our only swimsuit for this haul. Moving on to a halter top. Now this is a denim halter top. I'm gonna throw it over my head right here so you can kind of see. It is a denim halter top. It's kind of low cut. We have buttons in the front and yes, you can unbutton them. This is the back and we have an elastic band that goes around underneath the bust. And these are 2 separate ties for you to tie so you can adjust it to however like high up you need it. The whole front of this really looks like a vest, but then it's also giving a little bit of like a corset, and the stretch is really, really good. This is a size medium, and again, it fits me perfectly. Moving on to another halter top. Is this brown, it's not gonna look like much right here, I'm so sorry, but this is a brown halter top with a bead detail. Close up of the beads, really cute. Now it does have a built-in tube top with elastic. It's very stretchy without the elastic, but it also has this overlay that like hangs down like a scoop. I think it's called a cowl neck. And so it just gives that really cool like dimension of like different fabrics, but it's really, really thin. So you don't have to worry about it sticking to you or anything like that. This actually is kind of giving Western. Actually, there's quite a few of these pieces that are giving Western. And so whenever you see at the end of the video how I styled them, I did add cowboy boots. Well, inspired cowboy boots, if you will. But anyways, moving on, we have the most adorable denim skirt. How cute is this? So again, this is very stretchy. Now this is a large. My waist is like a 30 and my hips are like a 38 or something like that. Like I have really wide hips, but my waist is significantly smaller. So if I wanted to have a super short skirt, then I would get a small, like I would go medium, but then she's gonna be so short, my honey's probably gonna be hanging out basically. But if you want this as a lower rise, so you have a little bit more length down the legs, then you might want to go up a size. This is a large and it fits on me perfectly. And it gives me a good amount of like length down the leg. So my honey is not hanging out. But here is the back side. I think these little bow details are so darn cute. And then there is a lace ruffle that goes all the way around the bottom hem. This is also your standard traditional button and zipper closure. Now I did pair this skirt with the 2 shirts. I think probably just to make it easier for me for recording purposes. I would probably pair this with a white t-shirt, and I think that would be really cute for like 4th of July or something like that. Anyways, one last look. Now moving on to the last piece of the haul. This is kind of unique. I don't think I have anything like this in my closet. And at first I was like, oh, I don't know. But then I put it on and I was like, okay, I see the vibe. I get it. But it is a t-shirt dress that is made of mesh. as you can clearly see through. But it has this iridescent like glow to it, and it's kind of giving mermaid in a way, and it's so cool. I paired it with a pair of black biker shorts and a sports bra underneath. Now you can make this as conservative or as scandalous as you want. That's just how I did it for photos. It does come almost to my knee, but not quite. So I mean, the length is there. You just have to be mindful that it is see-through. But I thought it was really cute, and I'm pretty sure it comes in like a purple color as well. Everything will be linked down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're still here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.
You're already on my mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over.